Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to save your grapes from the birds. Now every year we grow beautiful grapes, but the birds come along and just eat them all. As soon as they get ripe, the birds destroy them and we don't get any grapes. So first thing you do is when they're about pea size, you come out and you see these grapes here. They're long clusters. Well, you want to cut them about half so the top grapes will get really big. So you just take your Leatherman or a pair of scissors, anything, and just go in here and just cut off the bottom half. Feed them to the cows, chickens, whatever. Once you cut that off, you've got a good round bunch of grapes right here. Then you get some little bags, just any type of material. It really doesn't matter. Just have someone sew them for you. Take these little bags, put away my Leatherman. Get a little zip tie, just a little zip tie. And you just want to put it up here and as high as you can around the stem. Put that zip tie on it at the top. There you go. Now it can stretch and it'll get clear full. This bag will be full. Now here's some more clusters. I already cut the bottoms off of these. You can see that they're sort of round. So you get into the bag. Bags need to be big enough that when the grapes are full grown, mature, they won't pop out of the bags or explode your bag. But go clear up to the top of the stem. Clear to the top of the stem, then get your little zip tie. Put it around there. You don't want to go real tight and you cut off circulation of the nutrients going to the grapes, but just get it tight enough so the birds don't eat it. And that's it. We do about 175, 200 of these with just on 7 or 8 grapevines.